Hi guys, it's Miss Erin from the Upper Saddle River Library. Welcome to the first edition of our Kids Take and Make craft kits. This month we're going to be making a very cute book hedgehog. You need scissors and a pencil. Everything else is in your kit. Are you ready? Let's get started. You'll need a thin paperback book, glue dots, googly eyes, a button, 2 feet made out of black felt, and scissors. The first thing you want to do is take your book and flip it over so that you see the cover. Open it up to the first page and fold that first page inward toward the front cover like I'm doing. This is a lengthwise fold and it will create a rectangular half page. Now fold the bottom corner of the page inward like this. It creates a little triangle at the bottom, and then do the same thing with the top of the page. This creates a trapezoid shape, like this. Now repeat doing that with every page in the book. You want to do that same lengthwise fold to make it a rectangle, and then fold in the corners and move on to the next page. So you can see what I'm doing is just repeating that over and over with every page in the book. You don't have to do the whole book if you don't want to. You could do about 30 or more pages if you'd like, and this will give you a good base shape, sort of a 3-dimensional hedgehog shape. So as you're watching this, you might be wondering, why is a librarian doing this to a book? And that's a great question, but these are special books that we are allowed to do this to. They are getting a new life as a craft, and we won't do this to library books or books from school or books at home. Now at this point you'll be deciding I've had enough of folding and I'm done, or you will have folded every page in the book. In this case I'm going to show you how I'm just ripping out some extra pages that I've decided I don't want to fold. It doesn't need to be perfect because your hedgehog shape will cover this, but I ripped out all the extra pages and now I'm left with just the cover. Now we're going to get ready to trim the cover, and what you can do to make it easier for yourself is get a pencil, trace the outer shape of your hedgehog onto the cover. Now trim along the edges, either on the pencil lines that you drew if you did that, or just sort of around the edges of the folded paper. It doesn't need to be perfect, and you can make it a little smaller than the shape if you want. We're just trying to hide the cover. Once you're happy with the shape of the cover that you have left, you can move on to decorating your hedgehog. Time to use the glue dots that came with your kit. They are sticky on both sides, so what you'll want to do is use those to attach both googly eyes and the button nose. Take your feet and attach them with glue dots the same way. You could put it on the inside cover or the outside cover. Your book is now a hedgehog. Would love to see your finished hedgehogs. So here's my email if you'd like to share it. Thanks for doing this month's Take and Make craft with me. See you next month.